Imagine you are just chilling at home. You decide to check your doorbell camera and see this.
Open the door. No.
I found the craziest moments that were recorded on a doorbell camera. Get your popcorn and enjoy this video.
So, you don't want to have tonight?
At first, this just looks like a normal doorbell recording. But a few seconds later, something starts moving across the door. And honestly, the way it slowly crawls toward the camera feels genuinely unsettling. Most people would probably never even notice it at first, until they realize it's a snake climbing directly up the front door. For most, this is an absolute nightmare. The next recording is much more intense, but also funnier.
Open the door. No.
In the video, the man, later identified by police as 30-year-old Jason Nichols, asks about the homeowner's daughter.
Where's your daughter, man?
What are you talking about?
While claiming to be Harry Dresden, a popular urban fantasy character. You then hear the homeowner, who was away at the time, repeatedly tell Nichols to leave.
Can you leave my house, please?
Can you open the door, please?
You have nothing to do with my house. Can you leave my house?
Triggering this terrifying reaction.
What the hell is wrong with this guy? He just starts crashing out at the door and doing some karate moves at the camera. This next one is really terrifying. He just appears out of nowhere. What in God's name was his mission? He came to the door, rang the bell, and just dipped while wearing this mask looking like Jason Voorhees. And we got this guy casually chilling with a huge kitchen knife. Yeah, that was pretty weird. Trying to stab up the camera of your neighbor. Anyways, let's get to the next one. This one is completely exaggerating it. I don't know why he got so goddamn horny to start kissing and licking this doorbell. The worst part is the eye contact, bro. Stop looking at us while you're showing the doorbell who's boss.
On their security camera, they say a man spent 3 hours, yes, 3 hours licking their doorbell.
Oh, God.
The homeowners were out of town at the time, but their kids were home. They had no idea what was happening outside, but the parents got an alert to movement out in front.
So for 3 goddamn hours, you've been making love to this poor doorbell. I feel so bad for the children that were in the house. The next doorbell footage is even worse. This guy licking the doorbell isn't nearly as horny as him.
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what, are you looking for a Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for, Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So, you don't want to have tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Huh. Okay.
Have a good
Understood.
So Steven came to the wrong address, and instead of leaving, this dumbass proceeds to ask someone he doesn't know if they want to have...
So, you don't want to have...
Yeah, you get it. How do you come to the conclusion to ask something that wild? The next video is really terrifying and disturbing. It's the creepiest one today. If you can't handle it, look away.
Yeah.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. I love you. Open, unlock the door. What won't you answer? You come over here right now. I'm getting angry.
Yeah, I didn't understand the other half too of what he said. Just opened a door already for him.
Open the door. Open the door.
And honestly, what makes these videos so disturbing isn't just what was captured on camera. It's the fact that all of this happened to real people, real houses, real nights, real moments, and somewhere out there right now, someone's doorbell camera is probably recording something just as unsettling. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Rabbit Hole, because the deeper you go into the internet, the stranger it gets.